last few years now, a spotlight has been shown on addressing mental health in law enforcement. As News 10 ABC's Connell Smith tells us, 30 police officers from Rensselaer County and beyond completed training today to help them better serve people in mental health crisis.
Mental illness is not a crime, it's a medical condition.
The Troy Police Department responded to around 900 calls for someone going through a mental health crisis last year alone. CAPT.MATTHEW Montanino says most of the calls they respond to are for a mental health crisis, but before leaving the academy, officers only go through about 24 hours of mental health training.
Given today's day and age, it may not be enough. Which
is why the department created the Emotionally Disturbed Persons Response Team training in 2006.
Because currently in New York State doesn't require a lot of training in the academy on mental health issues. So that's why this is 40 hours of training that officers utilize on a daily basis.
So far, nearly 85 out of 130 officers with Troy PD have completed the week-long course, which teaches skills like de-escalation and suicide prevention.
We hope that this class provides more of a understanding of mental illness, what mental illness is, to be able to go out and recognize when somebody is having a crisis, and then the goal is to get that person to where they need to go to get the treatment that they need.
The training the officers receive in this program is not just meant for them to help the public that they serve, but it's also meant for them to help themselves if they ever experience their own type of mental health crisis.
We work really hard to let all law enforcement officers know that help is available, to not have the fear of what people would say, to recognize the amount of trauma they experience over the course of 20, 25, 30 years is extraordinary.
According to the Troy Police Department, they say they are the only agency in New York State to require such training for their officers. In Troy, Connell Smith, News 10, ABC.
Happening right now, Niskayuna police looking for a